Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aurora Stefanitsa Zaffi, but you can call me Aurora. I'm from Effort International Class with SID 1301 18441. My advisor one is Sir Arfaf Gandhi MTI, and my second advisor is Ibu Veronica Effendi STMT. Okay. First of all, I want to present about a website navigation UX evaluation using UEQ method. The case study is MSA Logistic. And then the table of content is there are preliminary, which is there is a background, problem from formula, proposed activity plan, and schedule of activities. Second one is literature review. There are a basic theory and related research. And then third one is methodology research. There are a study literature, the determination of population and research sample, research instrument, initial system evaluation, identification of problems, data collection and evaluation result, conclusion and suggestion. And also there's a reference. The background of the paper is the success of an information system service is measured by its ability to provide a pleasant user experience. Among these capabilities include ease of use and pleasant impression felt by users. In improving the services that will be provided to users, one way that can be used is in the form of technology. However, the technology in the form of a website information system that is widely used in the agency and company is still much antiquated. And then website is a medium of information that is so widely used in organization almost all over the world. Both profit, non-profit organization, one of the principles in designing a site to ensure that each page has a good navigation system and links that are able to transfer to other page. The problem formula is there are three problem formula on this paper. The first one, how to evaluate a website on the MSA Logistic. The second one is how to apply the UEQ method to evaluate action website of MSA Logistic. And the third one is how does the level of user certification result in the use of MSA Logistic website services. Then the purpose is there are three purposes. First one is to evaluate website of MSA Logistic. The second one is to applying UEQ method to the evaluation website of MSA Logistic. The third one is to know the result of the level of user certification in the use of MSA Logistic website services. And then the activity plan. First one is literature studies, and then the second one is data collection, and then third one is data analysis and elaboration of the report. After that, the literature review. We can see here the basic theory on the literature review. There is fifth. There is a basic theory. The first one is website. Website is a collection of publicly accessible and interrelated web pages that share a single domain name. And the website evaluation. Evaluation is a tool of or procedure used to know and measure something in an atmosphere in a predetermined way and rules. And then the user experience or UX, it can be defined as an experience that is felt directly by the user in the use of a particular technology, such as the internet site. Cronbach alpha, and then the alpha coefficient is a measure for the consistency of a scale, indicated that all item on the scale measure the same contraction. And then the last one is user experience questionnaire or review is a user experience testing method is to process survey data related to user experience that is easy to practice, trustworthy, based on utilized to conduct subjective quality assessments. And then the related research on user experience UX evaluation has been widely conducted by researchers before problem solution case studies and then the use of different methods. There is comparison of methods. There is honeycomb. There is heuristic evaluation method. There is Meku questionnaire. There is change cognitive walkthrough. In honeycomb, there is accessibility, credible, desirable, findable, usable, useful, and valuable. But the difference with UEQ is proposed values analysis are grouped by sources and validated by experts. And there is so many reason why I choose the UEQ, because UEQ is very, very suitable for my problem or for my paper. And then the research flow. The following research, the following of research flow is a flow process in research conducted by research in the evaluating user experience UX against website navigation MS logistic. You can see there, this is the start. After that, we continue about the study literature. In the literature study stage, the author looks for information related to the method use and problems in that research that are sourced from books, journals, articles, and previous research. After that, we go to the determination of population research samples. This stage, before collecting data, first determine the source of the research data. After that, the research instrument. At this stage, we prepare what should be needed for the data retrieval. And then the initial system evaluation will be done by analysis data. After that, the identification of the problems. After evaluating the initial system, the identification of the problem is determined. After that, the data collection is done using survey or questionnaire. The stage will the dissemination of questionnaire that have prepared at the stage that research instrument. And then the evaluation of UEQ. The evaluation process using UEQ starts from respondent being asked to all the features on the MS Logistic website. The goal for user to get good feedback and accurate UEQ result. And then the conclusion and suggestions. We go to evaluation result first. The evaluation result, after processing data obtained through respondent feedback based on user experience questionnaire or UEQ, the data will be calculated using questionnaire user experience tool to find out the result obtained from the evaluation website. After that, the last one is conclusion and suggestion. After obtaining the result of conclusion made on questionnaire user experience, the researchers will make conclusion and suggestion based on the result of the research conducted. And then this is the researchers. I have 12 reference for this paper. I think that's all enough for me. If I have if you have any question, you can ask me on WhatsApp or email. I think that's enough. Thank you so much for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.